The New York Jets. The New York Jets are a professional American football team based in the New York metropolitan area. Here's some information about the team. History: New York Titans and joined the American Football League (AFL) in 1960. They were renamed the New York Jets in 1963. The team won its only Super Bowl championship in 1969, defeating the Baltimore Colts in Super Bowl III. Home stadium *, If Stadium, located in East Rutherford, New Jersey. The stadium is shared with the New York Giants and is one of the largest stadiums in the NFL. Green and white, their mascot is named Flight Crew. And they also have a team mascot named Jetman. Division and Conference * of the American Football Conference, AFC East Division, along with the Buffalo Bills, Miami Dolphins, and New England Patriots. Notable players * over the year had many notable players, including Hall of Famers, such as Joe Namath, Curtis Martin, Don Maynard, and Kevin Maui. Other notable players include Darrelle Revis, Mark Gastineau, and Nick Mangold have struggled to find success on the field, with inconsistent performances and playoff droughts. However, the team continues to rebuild and develop young talent under new coaching staff and management. Known as a Jets Nation, despite the team's ups and downs, Jets fans are known for their loyalty and passion for the team. Rivalries * the Jets have several notable within their division, including the New England Patriots and the Miami Dolphins. The team also has a historic rivalry with the New York Giants, known as the MetLife Bowl, due to their shared stadium. Overall, the New York Jets are an integral part of the New York sports landscape, with a rich history and passionate fan base. While the team has faced challenges in recent years, they continue to strive for success and aim to bring another championship to New York. Find more vlogs at https://com. Ready to transform your travel dream with a sustainable digital income? Launch your digital business in a day with MRR courses. https://com/webinar. Scale effortlessly with Beginning Success. Collaborations, comprehensive resources. https://com/success collaboration. God bless you.